Hi guys! This box on my hand is the diamond painting given to me by Victoria's Moon. On this video, I'm going to unbox this diamond painting and show to you guys the materials and the design included on this package. So, let's go! Victoria's Moon reached out to me last August 8th. They said that they saw our videos about diamond painting and asked us if we could create a video for their diamond painting. In return, that they will give me this free diamond painting that I will use for this vlog. As you could see, the package is a little bit dented or mashed, maybe because of the courier or the box is not strong enough to handle the shipping from Germany to Philippines. So while opening, you can see on the right side of this video the website of Victoria's Moon. Victoria's Moon have more than 200 collections and 8,000 designs to choose from. Also, they offer custom design diamond paintings. On their website, they've mentioned that they are offering a global free shipping. So here's the diamond painting. As you can see, the box is also mashed and dented. Let's hope that inside the design is not affected of the box. So let's open it. Inside are the materials and the canvas. So as you can see, the canvas is a bit affected by the dent of the box. Here's the inventory sheet of all the diamond paintings included on this design. You can see on the right side the design I choose for this diamond painting. And this one, I'm not really sure how to use this, but based from other diamond painting users, this is for bigger diamond paintings wherein there are also special beads or special rhinestones included. Then for this small one, let's open it. For this small tip, it's for the smaller diamond paintings, and this bigger one is for the bigger diamond paintings. Thank you, Victoria's Moon, for this how can I say this, pen. Next are the basic materials, the pen, for the single, and also for a 9x9 diamond painting. Next is this, not sure, they also included this double-sided tape. Maybe there's a portion on this design that is not sticky enough, so we can use this. Next are the tweezers and the wax as usual, and the boat for the diamond painting. Next, we're going to check the beads if it is completed. Based on the inventory, there are 24 beads included on this diamond painting. So let's check if this is complete. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So it is complete. So now let's try if I can be able to show you a portion of my canvas so that you can see the design of this diamond painting. On the upper left, you can see the legend where you can base what diamond painting correspond on each symbol. So it is the same with the inventory. It is 24, and also you can see here the design. So I'll try to open a bit of it. I did not expect that this is bigger for a 50 by 50 because usually what I order is a 40 by 30. So 50 by 50 is too big. This is the biggest diamond painting I had. So there are the symbols. There are a lot of symbols and the design, and it's super sticky. So the folds that you can see are only on this double-sided paper. It did not affect the canvas. As you can see, there are no folds on the canvas, so it's a good thing. So now guys, now that you're able to see what's inside the diamond painting, the beads, the tweezer, bolt, and pen, this special pen for special rhinestones and special beads, and also the inventory to check if they were able to give all the diamond paintings that should be included on this package. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. You can visit Victoria's Moon on this website. Check it below. Check their design, check their pricing if it's good for you. For me, their price is enough. It's okay. It's cheaper than the other websites. So thank you guys. See you on my next vlog.